Creating a new document. Every Word project you create, whether it's a personal letter, official report, or a summary, begins and ends the same way. You start by creating a document, and you end by saving your work. Sounds simple, but to manage your Word documents effectively, you need to know these basics and beyond. This session shows you all the different ways to create a new Word document. Word gives you 3 ways to create a document: creating a new blank document, creating a document from an existing document, creating a document from a template. To start your document in any of these ways, follow these steps. Creating a new blank document. In the existing Word document, go to the Office button. In that, click on New, which displays a New Document dialog box. The New Document dialog box presents a seemingly endless number of options, but don't panic. The option you want is on the left-hand side of the first line, as blank and recent. In that tab, you find 2 options, namely Blank Document and New Blog. In that, select Blank Document and click Create. The dialog box disappears, and you're gazing at the blank page of a new Word document. And you can also create a new document using keyboard options. Press Ctrl and N. A new blank document appears. This can be done under any Command tab. Creating a document from an existing document. Word gives you New from Existing Document Creation option to satisfy your desire to spend more time surfing and less time writing meeting minutes. Here's how to create a new document from an existing document. Place your mouse pointer on the Office button. In that, select New, which takes you to the New Document dialog box. In that list, select on New from Existing. Clicking that opens up an Open Document dialog box. In the Open dialog, select the format of file you want to create. To have to keep in mind that, instead of opening an existing file, you're making a copy of an existing file. Once open, the file's name is something like document2.docx instead of the original name. This way, when you save the file, you don't overwrite the original document. Creating a document from a template. Microsoft provides dozens upon dozens of pre-built templates for everything from newsletters to postcards. You just open it and add your text. Here's how to get help from one of Microsoft's templates for Equity Letter. Go to Office button. In that, click on New button, which displays a New Document dialog box. In the Selection tab on the left side, click on Installed Templates, which shows you the inbuilt templates list. In that, select Equity Letter. This shows you a pre-formatted letter format. In that, just start filling up your information.